I was now continuing my trip around Japan, going on one of the fastest trains in the world, called Shinkansen. I was going to Tokyo, located in the east part of Japan. I came out of the train station and quickly learned that Tokyo has the most populated metropolitan area in the world. The metropolitan area of Tokyo has 38 million people, and there are buildings as far as you can see.
I'm here in Tokyo. Tokyo.
I started walking around in Tokyo and quickly realized that there were people and buildings everywhere, except for a few parks here and there. It's interesting, but also scary to think about how rapidly the human population has increased just in the last couple of hundred years. Physicists like Stephen Hawking believe that humans only have 1,000 years left of survival on Earth, and that we have to colonize other planets if we want to survive. Every 10 years, 1 billion people are added to this planet. There is a layer of pollution at the horizon of the Tokyo skyline, which is also a result of overpopulation.
Okay, I'm trying to go to Nagatacho, but I'm totally lost.
I was on my way to see the most populated street crossing in the world.
Here it is, the famous crossing in Shibuya, Tokyo, where people cross the street in all directions. People flock here and get ready to cross the road.
The human population will continue to grow until disasters start to happen.
Crossing the road, and it's kind of hard actually, because you have to go zigzag, otherwise you bump into people because there are so many people here. But it's pretty cool actually.
Going around Tokyo was a great experience, but I couldn't deny the fact that most scientists believe that we are right now going through the 6th mass extinction of species on planet Earth. It's believed that there has been 5 mass extinctions on Earth in the past. The worst one 250 million years ago, caused by rising levels of carbon dioxide, which is also happening right now.
Tokyo Sky Tower is 634 meters tall and is the tallest tower in the whole world.
It's believed that overpopulation is the biggest threat humanity is facing today. We live longer, more people are born, and we consume natural resources faster than what they regenerate.
Now on one of the small streets in Asakusa in Tokyo. I've probably never seen this many people in one place in my whole life. Not only here, but everywhere I go.
Even though the world is facing many environmental problems, it seems like it always recovers. It has been in existence for the past 4.5 billion years, but has always recovered after every disaster. But can it recover from humans? It had been an interesting time in Tokyo, seeing the most people in the world, the tallest buildings and the fastest trains.
I'm here with my train pass and I'm trying to figure out where I'm gonna go, but I actually don't know. So I'm gonna ask somebody to see if they can tell me where I should go. Here at the train station in Tokyo, and I got a ticket to a place called Sendai. I don't really know where it is, but it's supposed to be nice.
I decided to head up north, and I was excited to see more of this futuristic country. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the icon in the down left corner. Thank you for watching.